Hi, and welcome to the BANKEX screencast demo for our new product, the AppToken. The AppToken is a service that allows developers of software applications to get funding for the development and marketing of their software creations. The blockchain technology underlying the AppToken will enable app developers to sidestep the enormous time-consuming task of trying to get funding from investors for their app on their own. In addition, the smart deal technology in the AppToken will allow developers to maintain ownership of their products, eliminating the risk of losing equity in their business. At the same time, the AppToken is linked to a market of smart assets that enables investors to easily view and consider applications they might want to invest in at the early stages of development. Investors who are ready to supply loans can choose from a number of financial arrangements provided in a smart contract to supply funds and earn returns. So, AppToken enables developers to focus on what they do best, developing software. And investors can have a greater and more transparent access to app developers who need loans for the development of their software products. Now we will show you how the app tokenization works. Tokenization is the process of issuing tokens backed by a real asset. In the AppToken case, the asset is the future revenue of an app or the services provided by an application. Firstly, an app developer approaches BANKEX and makes a request to tokenize an existing app or an app in development. The app developer will have to fill out an online form providing personal and contact information and a link to their app at the App Store or Google Play. In this demo, we will tokenize an app called BrainChain, a simple program that provides mini mental puzzles and games to increase mental agility and flexibility. Secondly, we see the Add an App screen. Here, the app developer provides BANKEX with information about his or her app. Currently, the app developer needs to complete this form manually, but soon BANKEX will make it possible to update the fields automatically. BANKEX will require the following information about an app: the total number of installs of your app at Google Play or the App Store, the conversion rate, that is the percentage showing how many users continue using the app for at least 1 month, the CPI, or the cost per install, the retention rate, a metric that shows how many months an average user will continue using the app, and finally the average purchase, the amount of money a user typically spends in the app each month. After providing this information, an app developer will need to review and agree with the terms of service and the privacy policy and click the Save button to continue. Thirdly, the AppToken form will calculate the amount of funding that an app developer is eligible for within the AppToken service range. Currently, there are 5 different financing products available on the AppToken platform. The first is AppToken Express. This is a short 6-month loan with a volume and interest rates that is dependent on the app performance and parameters. Terms will require monthly payments. The second is AppToken New Market, a loan specifically for app marketing for a period of up to 24 months. Terms require payments every 3 months. Next, AppToken Start. This is a loan for the creation of a developer's first application, provided for a period of up to 36 months. Terms require quarterly payments. After that, there's the AppToken Additional App. This is a loan to finance the creation of a new app. App developers can be eligible for this product on the condition that they already have a revenue-generating app that meets certain criteria. Loans of this kind will be provided for up to 18 months. Terms require monthly payment for the final 6 months. And finally, AppToken Angel. This is a loan for developers with special needs in the process of app development. The loan is subject to negotiated terms and conditions. An app developer chooses the best means of funding and selects the most suitable AppToken product. Our app developer has chosen the AppToken Express option. Here we see an Etherscan with all the information about the AppToken smart contract. It shows that the tokens for the app have been issued and in what amount. It also shows the balance of tokens on the contract, the number of transactions on the smart contract, information about the creator of the contract, and all the hashes for the transactions within the smart contract. App developers and lenders can get instant information about the state of the loan and the progress of the app development here. After the app revenue has been tokenized and the tokens issued, the developer will see information about the app on a user dashboard: the name of the app, the user app rating, the date when the app was tokenized, a token ticker indicating the 3-letter name of the token, a price for the token in BKX, and a graph showing how the progress of a funded project is going. So far, we've seen how the tokenization of an app looks from the point of view of a developer. Now we will see what this process looks like from the perspective of an investor providing capital for the various loan products. Investors will visit the BANKEX exchange website, where they will see a variety of different smart assets and their potential returns. Currently, BANKEX has 2 types of smart assets, those for Instagram bloggers and those for mobile apps. On the main screen, we see a list of apps available for investment. For more detailed information about the app, investors just need to click on it, and they will get a separate screen with all the relevant details. Here we can see a screen with all the details of the BrainChain app, the revenue the app has generated over the past 6 months, the number of downloads, the token price fluctuation in BKX, a description of the app, and news about the app's performance. The data about the revenue and subscription is provided in real time. An investor will not need to wait for quarterly reports to see how the app performs. Also, an investor will be able to see how the app token is traded on the BANKEX exchange. It will be possible to buy and sell the app token of a particular app, view the order history, and the app description. And so that's the demo of the BANKEX app token and how developers can get funding for their apps and investors can supply capital for the development of new and promising technology. We're BANKEX, Proof of Asset Protocol. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates and demos.